Okay, Tim is back.
And you gotta do bronze, silver, and
Whoa! Whoa! Oh, we forgot.
He's like, I thought he was going to draw a circle.
You got to blow on it.
You gotta go silver now.
Tim, you have to blow on it when you're done.
You
gotta blow on it.
There, one more back.
Silver, that's the gold.
Here, you gotta load this
We just
up.
want you to know that was a practice round, Tim.
I thought you were going
To win, you have to get all 6 in the center because that was already done.
Oh, I thought you said, how do I lose? And then just put it in right here. And then just pop it back in.
And
Push
kind
it
of
all
shove
the way
them
in.
down and get tight so you got a little more.
No, that messes them up, I think.
Oh, Nancy was
Yeah, right.
Nancy was up.
Oh.
Okay, this time, Mr. Mulvey is going to hit 6 in the center.
Got all that ninja.
Now that he has all the practice. Okay, we're moving to the target.
Can you go some high
Silver.
You got to go for the medal. You're going for the right side.
Into the cookies.
Whoa.
Now you got gold.
Not bad.
Gold's all the way
That
back
goes
to
all the way
the
back to the other right.
And
You have to
then,
put one on his
Just make him go from the long course.
That's what he's doing. That's what he's going on.
Oh, I thought he was going to the silver.
Would you like you get a stripe for that.
Yeah.
You get closer.
Yeah, get a black felt pen. We'll give it a
That is electrical tape.
That's awesome.
It's like a little.
Duct tape comes in all kinds of colors.
And you can get a little black.
All right.
From the carpet, there you
Uh-oh.
Oh, no, the clock ain't one. Oh, he got 2 out of 6.
That's pretty good shooting.
Oh.
Good shooting, Mr. Mulvey.
It's actually decent. Now we got
Not bad at all.